This week we're in the Torah portion of Mishpatim, and Mishpatim basically means like laws and statutes. And we are transitioning from a narrative of the people escaping slavery to laws. You have to remember that the Israelites had been slaves for 400 years and had no idea how to act as a free people. And so they needed guidance on how to behave. And it shouldn't be too surprising that the first set of laws have to do with slavery. The Torah doesn't abolish slavery, and I'm not going to talk about that. I encourage you to listen to my podcast, Minute Lessons from the Torah, where I talk about why the Torah doesn't abolish slavery. Now, Jews have 613 commandments. That's a lot, and way more than 10. But here's a fun fact. If you take 6 plus 1 plus 3, what does it equal? 10. 613 commandments is a lot of laws, and most of them are not in this week's Torah portion. But this week's Torah portion contains 23 positive commandments and 30 negative commandments. One law I'm going to talk about today is why Jews don't eat cheeseburgers. Because we have a law about mixing meat and dairy together. Three separate places in the Torah, and this week's Torah portion is the first time it happens, where the Torah says, do not boil a kid in its mother's milk. So the great rabbis of our tradition interpreted that to mean that Jews should not mix meat and dairy in the same meal. I understand why Jews do not mix meat and milk together, but this Jew doesn't worry about that because I'm a vegan and I don't eat meat or dairy. All right, that's it for today's lesson. And like always, if you have any questions, just snap me. All right, happy Friday, Shabbat Shalom, and have an amazing weekend.